What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Jhune. Fresh off of the Kang Daniel, Simon Dominic, and Jamie collaboration. As you can see, I'm kind of mellowed. That was kind of a sugar rush I kind of had. 3 of those videos back to back. That's a sugar rush. Alright, so what we got today, I personally call these my guilty pleasure. Okay. Well, honestly, it shouldn't even be guilty. But I mean, saying guilty pleasure just makes it seem a bit more, I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, so this is P, Yuchaesuk, and OHYEAH. Yeah. This is a collaboration. They've been doing this like the second song. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't been keeping up with the show, but they've been doing old school tracks. You know, they've been making old school tracks, and I'm here for it. All right. One thing y'all don't know, I knows me some 90s K-pop. Okay, 90s, early 2000s. I knows me because, bruh, who doesn't like them old tracks? You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of music. All right, I'm a fan of music. Anyways, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and just hop into this. This isn't the first track that they did. I still haven't seen that one because I did plan to watch with you guys, and I just might. But this is SSAK3. That's the group. I'm assuming that's the group. SSAK3. Yeah. I don't know what that means. Beach again. Tashi Yogi Padaka. Wait. That's not the song I think. No, because that song is Cool's. Right? Yeah, that's not the song I'm thinking about. Alright, let's hop into this. Let's go. Is she in her 30s?
Yeah.
Yo, Yuchaesuk could actually sing it. Y'all got the old school dance moves. Whoa. Bad Boy himself. It's the Bad Boy himself. Bro. Got Yuchaesuk. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah. Oh, they got the old school dance. Let it be known, I did not know that they were going to be wearing green. I swear to you. Yeah. Bro, them glasses. I want them. Oh, I like the white. I like that. Look at this guy. Is that a cane? Man, she pretty. This guy just staring at it. Bro, this is a happy ass video. Yeah. Bro. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. How'd they do that? Oh, I'm definitely watching this more than. Oh my gosh. See, you got tatted up. You got tats. Like, I feel the old school vibe, but then I feel like a little. I feel like a little modern, I guess. It's like a mixture of both, honestly. Bro, put your goddamn shirt back. I thought you was a backup dancer. Wait a minute, Rain. Rain, you dancing in the rain. Look at this man's body, dude. You're like 40 years old. I feel like crap. Look at this dude's body. Oh my god. Oh man, she broke his neck. She broke his damn neck. Hold on, what's going on? Y'all fighting to go in the water? No? Ooh. That was beyond enjoyable. That was beyond enjoyable. That right there, that's what you call a moment. That is definitely a moment. Oh man. Why is there not enough views on this? People need to know about this. People need to know. How do I spread the word? Oh my gosh. Man, I have chills. Today I'ma just what is goosebumps? Exactly. Like, is it your skin literally like rising? At this point, I don't even know what's gonna happen to my skin because, bro, these goosebumps just won't leave me alone. Oh man. Today is July 28th. I feel amazing. It's like 11:52 in the morning. Bruh, I don't know what the hell I'm doing up so early. I've been up since like 9. My day has started off very, very nice. Very nice, in case any of y'all were wondering. Damn. I don't know. I mean, am I supposed to say anything? Y'all seen what I was doing, right? Like, I'm just happy today. I am happy, bro. Like, there's just so much fire tracks, so much happiness around. Oh my god. The world ain't that much of a dark place, y'all. It's not that much of a dark place. Now, I know it couldn't get rough. It can very much get rough, okay? I know that. Me being a realist, I don't like being an optimist because I feel like you're lying to yourself. But me being a realist, I know the world sucks. But then there's also the good stuff, alright? So you just gotta kind of hold out until you get to the good stuff. Or, you know, mind over matter. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this has been your Jamaican blooded, Canadian born Korean enthusiast. That was Sock City. I'm gonna hit y'all back up in the next one. Peace out, boy.